Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I'm doing a morning routine today. My morning routine is usually very slow and very simple. I don't do much. This particular day I woke up around 7 a.m. because I had a lot of things to do. So my first step is to always drink lots of water and then I just brush my teeth. I can't do without this step. I have to brush my teeth right after waking up because it just makes me feel fresh and active and nice, so I do it. Then I go for a walk, or I just walk inside my room. I like to do at least 3 to 4,000 steps in one go, because I have to complete 10 to 15,000 steps every day. Then there are days when I journal. I just write my goals, my manifestations, some affirmations. I don't do this regularly though. Then I take a shower, but most of the time I take shower in the evening. But I absolutely love morning showers. I think they just make you feel super fresh. This is my new foaming body wash. I absolutely love it. It smells divine. I love it so much. This is perfect for summers. And after that I just do my skincare is something that I prefer doing after my shower only. For my face wash today, I'm using the mamaearth's chia oil free face wash, which has chia seed and ceramides in it. Though this is an oil free face wash, it doesn't actually strip your face of any moisture. It doesn't make your skin feel stretchy or dry. In fact, it is suitable for all skin types because it is a gentle face wash. The chia seeds present in the face wash help with the hydration, and the ceramides help repair the skin's barrier. It makes our skin feel super fresh, plump, and soft. And the best part is there is no fragrance in this product whatsoever. You can see my skin is looking super fresh and hydrated and soft. Then I'm using some rose water as my toner and to rehydrate my skin. I love this step. It makes my skin feel really good. Then I'm using the moisturizer from the same range. This is the mamaearth's chia oil free moisturizer. Again, the ingredients are the same. It has chia seeds and ceramides. Chia seeds help with the hydration and ceramides strengthen the skin's barrier. It is super lightweight and quick absorbing and provides 24 hours of hydration. It is made safe, so you can use it every single day. It doesn't have any fragrance. So yes, love this one. You can check the link in my description box, or you can use my code PrernaJ2025 to get a 20% off on mamaearth's website or app. You can also get this from Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, or Purplle, or nearby stores. Do let me know if you spot a mamaearth store near you. Also guys, you can help mamaearth improve with your feedback, so yes, give your feedback. Then I am applying some sunscreen is a must for me. I just can't do without sunscreen. I have to apply sunscreen. After applying sunscreen nicely, I'll just end my skincare routine with some lip balm. Then it's breakfast time. I usually skip my breakfast because I wake up really late and I also practice IF, so yes. But whenever I do, I prefer having something light. This particular day, I felt like having dosa. I'm making this dosa and using some gunpowder. Love this. I use some ghee and gunpowder, and you can see how beautifully I made this dosa. Like, I love making this triangle shape. Also, this dosa was so crispy. I love having my dosa with some sambar, but there was no sambar, so I had it with chutney. I also made some coffee, tried doing some coffee art as well, but it turned out to be shit. And yeah, that was my breakfast. Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing extremely great. So I'm doing this cute little Savana haul. I'm sure you all must have seen my morning routine. It's very basic. There's nothing much honestly. So I'm thinking of doing this haul because I have a few things. I haven't really opened my packages. I opened the main package but not the individual packets, so even I haven't seen my stuff. And this time around I got extremely comfy things, and this is something that I've decided off late, that I'm not going to buy unnecessary stuff, because these days I regret buying clothes so much because my wardrobe is full. Like, there's no space at all because I have bought so many unnecessary things just because they were trending. But now I'm not gonna do that anymore. So yes, we are only going to buy stuff mindfully. Apart from like getting things to review for you guys, I'm not going to spend my money unnecessarily. This is something that I've decided. So yes, Let's go. Okay guys, so here are the packages. Let's try these out and let's see if they're worth it or not. First is this pair of trousers. This is what it looks like. I also attach a picture or something of how it looked like on the app, and this is what it looks like. Let's try this. So this is how the trousers look like. They don't look that big and baggy like they look in the picture, but they feel soft and comfortable, and the return window has closed. So yeah, now I have to like it no matter what. तो ठीक है, रख लेंगे इसे. Not that bad वैसे, ठीक है. Guys, next is this top that I'm wearing. This is what it looks like. There are two bows here. It's padded, so it gives a lot of support. The material is very soft and stretchy, so it feels very nice and comfortable. I love the pink strap. I love how cute and girly it looks. I think it's a nice top, and I think I got it for a good price as well. I'm not very sure. I'll mention it on the screen. So yes, then we have another pair of trousers. These are like pajamas. It's a cute pink pajama. This is what it looks like. There are like cute bows here, and yeah, the material feels really good. It feels very soft. It's not a stretchy material, but yes, overall it feels very light. Let's wear it and see how it actually feels. Next we have this t-shirt. I'm sure this is also going to be cute. Wait, yeah, so this is what it looks like. Again, a bow. I've got too many things with bow and everything. And this is the back of the t-shirt. I think it looks very cute. Let's wear it and try it out. This is what the t-shirt looks like. The material is soft, but it's very, like, it feels cheap. I don't know, it does look cute. This is what the back looks like, but I have bought better t-shirts in this price range, and I was really expecting it to be a little more thick and, what should I say, sturdy. I mean, the fabric should be a little thick and crisp, if that makes sense, but this is like a little too, like, I mean, it feels cheap, just how a cheap t-shirt would feel. Although I didn't pay much, but I actually paid 600 for this, so I wasn't really expecting superior quality, but I was expecting it to be somewhat great, because I have bought better t-shirts from H&M and Urbanic before, and this is just disappointing, to be very honest. This is the last thing. I think this is a crop top, and I am really sorry guys, but it also has a bow, but I'm sure this will fit me nicely, and this is going to look better than this t-shirt, so let's go and try. Okay guys, so this is how this crop top is looking like. I think it is the best one so far. I also like the cami top, like the bow cami top that I got, but I love this one as well. I got it in a size small, that is why it's a little loose, because most of the time I get excess, but yeah, this is what it looks like. I love the fitting as well, and black always makes me feel nice, so yeah. I totally forgot about this top. I also got this top, and this is what it looks like. I love that it feels so light and so comfortable. It feels like I'm not wearing anything, to be very honest, because it's so light. I love the color, I love the design. I just hope I'm wearing it the right way, because I'm very bad with these type of things. And yeah, this is what it looks like. I love the fitting as well. Wait, let me show it to you guys. I hope you can see. I love how it looks. I think I didn't waste my money. I got at least 2-3 good pieces out of 5 things, so yes, love this one. And yeah guys, that was it for this video. This was supposed to be a morning vlog, but I showed you this haul as well. It's almost 1 p.m. right now, so yes, the morning is over. We are ending our video here. I hope you guys like it. If you did, don't forget to like, share and comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.